more shot here. You can hear me, but you can't see me. I walked in from work and I just caught this little sweet thing hatching out of his egg. I didn't have enough time to grab the camera, but you can still see there's still some egg yolk in the egg. And the hatchling definitely just came out of it because his tail is still inside of it. So, just wanted to make a short video just to show you guys what it looks like when these guys come out. So we're going to finish the video now because I want to leave this guy to finish coming out of his egg and absorbing the yolk, and I usually leave them alone until they get through their first shed. So this is a short video. Thanks for watching, and as always, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.